Hello everybody, I am AJAX. Today I will talk about a scheme or approach which we have developed to retrieve minute level details from an urban settlement using GIS, that is Geographical Information System. The developed operational system is truly and entirely made by open source instruments or elements. This presentation is about an urban environment geographical information system. So, what is GIS? It is a system comprising of dataware, humanware, hardware and software working together to capture, store, analyze, reproduce and retrieve information. And what is a FOSS? Because we are going to talk about free and open source element, FOSS, FOSS. It is an open source thing. Well, it is a software or system which is a freeware or freely available with source code open to the public. Anyone can use it, and only if the main content is changed, then it needs to be shared again to the public. For developing country and economy, FOSS is vital, is of utmost importance. Straight away coming to the methodology or scheme, we start with the data preparation for the area whose information shall be retrieved. The data consists of raster, vector, annotation, map, photos, etc. This was carried out on Quantum GIS, QGIS as we call it, and it is an open source software with immense capability. As an information, I am looking after the conversion of document of QGIS to Hindi and in Indian language. So then comes the interface designing, that is in open layers we have used. And what is an open layer? It is an open source JavaScript API to present geospatial data on web with no server dependency. And apart from the information that may be extracted from the data, the supporting data from the survey of any information agency will then be added to the database. And finally, hosting this web-based GIS onto internet in the form of website for public usage. Now, this slide depicts the interaction of remote sensing, GIS and web technologies for geospatial data. What will be the input base map for the digitization activity or preparation of vector layers? The transforming them to layers that may be presented on web, followed by a one-time activity of data collection and populating thereby the databases. Finally, the web-based solution that will enable to extract miniature level information for decision making. Since GIS consists of various functionalities, the functionalities added and provided in this Web-GIS are all type of measurements, on-the-fly switching, finding the public utilities near a point of interest, then photographic view from different angles to support the information extracted, neighborhood details. This is also provided in this Web-GIS. Now, this is how the developed application looks. We can see an urban area on an OpenStreetMap. Since I am talking about FOSS, whatever we have used are free and open source. The houses are shown by yellow, the roads by red, the land or we can say plot or barren areas by green, and the landmarks, as you call it, prominent points by flags. Here are more results giving a more detailed view. Just by clicking of a mouse, information of a house and the detail of people living in it may be obtained. This actually depends on what information you have filled in database and extracted from the geospatial data. This information is extracted jointly from the geospatial data and the data available in databases. So I conclude by saying that in recent era, GIS is an evolving technology, and FOSS is the requirement of time too. So developing a GIS entirely on open source instruments, that too on web, with all the basic functionalities, is a vital effort which we have made, sincere effort which we have taken towards a different approach to information extraction and decision making in favor of mankind. So here are the references. I really acknowledge them, and I am looking forward. I wish to add 3D capability on this Web-GIS to make it more realistic. So thank you all. Thank you.